Hi class, this is Miss Savory. I'm here to explain to you our final project, Columbus Hero or Villain, final project information. Project description. In your project, you will be writing an opinion paper. Throughout this course, we've learned all about opinion writing. We've watched videos, we've seen infographics, we've practiced, and we've taken a little quiz. This project will be used to assess whether or not you know how to write an opinion paper. Our opinion paper will state your opinion on whether or not you believe Columbus was a hero or a villain. We've done so much research, we've taken notes, we've filled in organizers, we've read stories, we've watched videos, we've read articles, all in preparation for this moment. You've created a chart in which you have researched and given your initial thoughts and opinions on whether or not you think he's a hero or a villain. So you're going to take all that information that we've have gathered and use reasons to explain in your paper if you think that he was a hero and we should celebrate him, or he was a villain and maybe it's time to let go and move on. The paper will be 3 paragraphs long, and it's going to follow the structure that we've been learning about in class. And if you need a refresher on that, feel free to go back and view the playlist videos of what an opinion paper is. How you will write your paper. So in our class module, you will find a template that I created to help guide you through this process. You will begin by writing an introduction to your paper. Your introduction should include a hook to get your audience's attention. It should state your opinion and why you believe your opinion to be true, which would be given your reasons. Your body paragraph will state the reasons of why you think Columbus was a hero or a villain, and will give examples to support each reason. Your conclusion will restate your opinion, provide a summary of the reasons, and give the reader a final thought to be left with to think about after they finish reading your paper. We will also have a presentation piece to this project. So not only is it going to be turned in via Word document or Google Doc, you will also be creating an oral presentation using a tool of your choice. I'm giving you 2 options below of how to present your final project in your oral presentation. If you want us to see your face and see all your reactions, then you should probably create a Flipgrid. In this Flipgrid, you can add cool graphics, texts, and filters to your video to make it more unique. You'll be just reading your paper out loud. Facial expressions, eye contact will help add impact. If you'd rather just record your voice, you should use Vocaroo. This tool allows you to go online and create a voice recording of yourself reading your paper out loud. When you're doing either option, make sure that you're in a quiet space and that you talk nice and clear so that we can hear everything you have to say and all of your thoughts. In the module, you will find resources to help you. You'll find the template to use for your writing, an example paper written by me about golden retrievers. You'll find an example Flipgrid of me reading my paper for the oral presentation aspect. You will also find the rubric of how you will be graded for this final project. If you have any questions, you can post them in the class questions module, or you can reach out to me via email or comment in the class module section below. Thanks, good luck. Let me know if you have anything that you need.